if you just steady, you don't move, you cannot feel the earth is moving. Di po ba? Hindi mo nararamdaman the earth is moving, but it is moving. Kaya nga mayroong alon sa dagat eh. Because the earth is continuously moving. Same thing with you, my friend. Whether success or failure, it appears that you're not moving anymore, or you are not moving forward nor backwards. But it's either way, either moving forward or backward. So what I'm trying to say is, if you stop consuming information, you stop attending your training, you stop to listening to what I'm saying, you stop doing something on your work, you are in a momentum going down. You just stop moving up. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, talk to your family, talk to your spouse, whoever, significant others, tell them, I'm sorry, I'm busy on this day. Kung meron ka mang weekly gimmick with your barkada, meron kayong basketball, morning basketball, please, you can play basketball all you want once you start making money. And that's one of the things that I designed in my life. I would like to play basketball anytime I want to, because I love the game. I'm not super good at it, but for me, it's a therapy. I really enjoy it since I was young. Guess what? I can go to the gym 10 o'clock in the morning. I can go to basketball 2 afternoon. I can go 6 p.m. I have completely control. Nobody can dictate me when or where. Only I can play. Pag full-time job ka, may empleyado ka, I'm sorry, that is not the case. Tama po ba? So in other words, sabi nga ng mga kaibigan ko, hindi kami normal. Hindi kami normal mag-asawa. Kasi po ang wife ko, mayroon din siyang sariling business and she also works from home. Hindi kami normal because we can go to mall as early as 10 o'clock, mag-shop kami. We don't have to wait for 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock after work. You can watch movie. Kahapon, we watch movie and it's a weekday in here. We watch movie ng 12:50 p.m. Yung sine. Why? We design a lifestyle. By the way, guys, I don't have a mansion. I don't have a jet plane. I don't drive Ferrari. I don't have those. But I have this kind of flexibility. And I believe that most Filipinos, hindi naman nila gusto talagang maging multi-millionaire. But I'm pretty sure that we all want to enjoy our lives. Tama po ba? Yes or no? Type in sa chat box. But I'm pretty sure you want to have more time with your kids. Tama po ba? Yes or no? Type sa chat box. But I'm pretty sure if you can spend more time with your aging parents dahil tumatanda na sila, mas gusto mo maalagaan, I'm sure. Yes or no? But I'm pretty sure also that you would be interested, Sir John, if only I have more time, maybe I'm gonna play more guitar, or I'm gonna do more painting, or I'm gonna practice more singing. Mayroon tayong mga gustong gawin na mga hobbies natin. But because of our busyness of work, sa trabaho, raising our kids, running this and doing this, meeting here and meeting that, nakalimutan mo na eh. But when you were young, it's like, this is your dream. Maybe writing a poem, painting, singing. We all have these hobbies, and I believe na lahat tayo we tend to love and enjoy yung things na, alam niyo yung mga bagay na pagka ginawa mo para kang bata, you're just excited and time flies. Do you have those things? Can you type in sa ating chat box? What are those things that na pag ginawa mo nag-enjoy ka? Maybe hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon dahil nga naging busy ka sa buhay eh. Si Joseph Carlo, toy collecting. Si Marvely, photography. That is right. We all have those eh. Kaya lang ngayon, nalimutan mo na eh. Busy-busy na sa buhay eh. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.